Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to do a color blend, as you guys can see, and these are the three colors I'm going to blend together, so stay tuned to see how it turned out. So guys, the three colors that I'm going to use for today: 24, 613, and 27. So as you guys can see right now, I'm just prepping the hair, and I want it quite long, so I'm cutting it in the middle. If you guys want to see how I prep the hair, I will have a video coming out, so please make sure you subscribe if you're new, if you haven't done so, and hit the bell so that each time I upload you'll be notified. After prepping the hair, guys, this is how it's looking. Like I said already, I will have a video on how to prep your braiding hair, so if you guys are interested, y'all can check it out. So before I go ahead and blend the colors, I'm taking each hair and halving it, so that whenever I start to blend the colors, it's not going to be too thick in my hands. And if you want to, you can half it some more and put it into sections. And as you guys can see, I'm putting the hairs on top of each other instead of beside each other, like a layer, so that it just blends better. So now it's time to blend the hair, guys, and like I just told you guys, I'm putting the hairs on top of each other, and I'm gonna continue to do that as I blend the hair. This is just my way of doing it. I don't know how other people blend hair, but this works really well for me, and if you try it, let me know how it goes. And as you guys can probably see, I'm using my knees to take the hair apart. That's because the hair is really long. I actually wanted the hair to be quite long. You guys will see a video at the end, y'all, but I wanted the hair to be really long, so my hands could not stretch that far as I'm blending the hair, so using my knees to kind of take them apart. So guys, don't forget you need to brush this hair as you're blending. What I've noticed when I brush the hair, the colors blending so nicely, guys. It's so beautiful, and the knots also come off so that the hair will be so much softer and easier to blend. So guys, you want to keep on blending the hair until you reach the color that you desire. So for me, I wasn't sure what I was looking for, guys, but I was sure that I didn't want to see any of the colors through. I wanted them to almost look like one color, so that was my goal. That's what I was aiming for. I know some people like more blondes coming through or more 24 coming through, you know, it's all up to you, but for me personally, I just wanted the colors to look like one, completely flawless. So at this point, guys, I was pretty satisfied with the color. It looks very nice up close, but there's more to do, so gotta move on, and hopefully at the end we can put everything together and see how it looks. And as you guys can see, one side is blended clearly, one side is not blended. So now it's time to move on and blend the rest. You guys already know how it goes. Take it apart, put it together, take it apart again, brush it as you go. You know, it's very repetitive. It does take some time as well, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, just keep going, have some patience, and you know, you'll eventually get the color you desire. So guys, after putting everything together, I brushed it very nicely and this is the result. Oh my goodness, I love this color. Like I told you guys, my goal was to get like almost one color and I think I did a pretty good job. So guys, let me know what y'all think about this color in the comment box. I think it's almost like a golden honey blonde kind of vibe. That's what it's given. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think, but I love the color. It's beautiful. It's nicely blended. Oh my goodness. I did a good job. I deserve a clap. So guys, just to keep the hair safe, I'm gonna tie it up and keep it away. This is going to ensure that there are no knots, and when I'm ready to use it, it's good to go. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video and if you learned something, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so whenever I upload you'll be notified. And if you have any suggestions, any color blend ideas, please leave it in the comment box. And guys, here is the hair all braided up. This was indoors guys. Outside it will have a lighter tone, but yo, I'm in love with this color. Tell me what you guys think in the comment box. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram guys, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.